Hello and welcome back to Facebook Mastery. Today we're going to learn how to report a post as a fake post or a scam. Now first, go to your Facebook page as you can see here, and you can type the name of the page that you want to report, but I already have it in my tab. Now as you can see, I am going to report this page as a scam or a fake. Now click the three dots over here and click Give Feedback or Report this page. Now, pick the one that's suitable for your report. In my case, I'll click on Scam and Fake Page. And I'll click Fake Page. Let's scroll down a bit and click Send. Now that you've done that, you can block Lenovo, hide all from Lenovo, or message Lenovo to resolve this. I'm just going to block him. Block and click Done. And you're done. You've successfully reported Lenovo and block it. Thank you very much for tuning into this video. If you find this video useful, please like it and subscribe.